Welcome to the TeamBoard for Monday.com tutorial. In our previous video, we covered how to manage resource capacity, holidays, and workloads. Today, we'll focus on managing projects using the calendar view. With TeamBoard's calendar view, you can gain an overview of tasks, see holiday schedules, and manage multiple projects at once. Tasks are also automatically linked with the user's workload on the schedule board. Let's go through the steps to use the calendar view in TeamBoard. Activate the calendar view. To start, click the calendar button at the top bar. This will switch your view to calendar mode, giving you a clear overview of your tasks, holidays, and projects. Create new items. You can add tasks directly into the calendar. This makes it really easy to schedule and manage everything right from the calendar view. Navigate through different timeframes. Whether you need a weekly, monthly, or yearly view of your projects, TeamBoard makes it simple to switch between these timeframes, giving you flexibility based on your needs. Explore specific tasks. You can dive into any task or issue directly from the calendar. This makes it easy to get a detailed look at what's happening in your project. Holidays are marked for visibility. Return to the scheduler view. Whenever you need a broader look at your tasks or resources, you can quickly switch back to the scheduler view. It's just one click away. With TeamBoard's calendar view, you can easily visualize and manage your team's tasks, deadlines, and resource allocations all in one place. And that's all for now. In our next video, we'll dive into time tracking with time log and timesheet approval to help you streamline your workflow even further. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.